Hello friends, in this lecture I would like to explain another example based on the two hinged circular arches. Already in the last example I explained two hinged circular arch. A point load is exactly at the crown, but here an UDL is acting over the span. So please watch that video. So there I explained very clearly how you will get this r cos theta, r sin theta, each and every term. Then only you can see this one. Why? Because each and every terminology I explained clearly in that example. See here, this is the another example, that is a semicircular arch of radius r. So this is a semicircular arch which is of radius r and overall diameter this is d, which is 2 times of r, subjected to an UDL, that is W per unit run over the entire span, that is 2r span. Assuming EI to be constant, determine the horizontal thrust. We know the formula, H1 will be equal to integral of m dash y ds by EI by integral of y square ds by A. So here A is constant, you can take the formula directly, m dash y ds by integral of y square ds. Here also, like in the same formula, same previous problem, you can find first, this is A and B, both are hinged at ends. So find reaction at A and B. So at crown it is not hinged, this is two hinged arch only. So resolve this one. Sigma MA will be equal to 0, means I am resolving entire moments. So take down clockwise moments one side, anti-clockwise moments another side. So clockwise moments acting here is this load into distance. So what is the load acting here? W into R into R by 2. W into 2R into 2R by 2. And what are the anti-clockwise moments acting here? RB into 2R. Okay, W into L by 2 means W into 2R into 2R by 2. This is W into L into L by 2. So cancel R, and again this one will be W into 2R into R equal to RB into 2R, and again cancel this 2R and 2R. You will get RB will be equal to W into R, and again sigma V will be equal to 0. Some of the vertical loads on the arch will be equal to 0, that is RA plus RB acting upwards, and W into W will be acting downwards. So what is the load here? W into L, L in terms of 2R, W into 2R. So RA will be equal to 2WR minus WR, that is WR. So this RA will be equal to WR, similarly RB will be equal to WR. So after finding the vertical reactions, then our next step is to consider any point P x comma y, means, so here we are considering section XX at a distance of x from A. So this distance will be y. So already in the last example I explained clearly this point. So this one will be like this. So it will be acting. So here it will be acting at some theta. At a point x comma y will be acting at some point theta. So this is y here. So what I told, exactly theta opposite will be equal to r sin theta, and this y value will be equal to r cos theta. So the here it will be, from here to here it will be r sin theta, and here to here it will be r cos theta. So this term also I explained in the last example clearly, that's why I told you. So please watch that last video and then come for this video. Okay, then, so this total distance taken from here to here is r, and this distance from here to here is x, and the remaining distance here to here is this r sin theta, r sin theta. So overall r will be equal to x plus r sin theta. So that one will be equal to overall r. So if you want x, that one will be equal to r minus r sin theta, and again x equal to r into 1 minus sin theta. So this x value will be equal to r into 1 minus sin theta. Then our next step is first find the numerator part in the horizontal. So first find the numerator part, that is integral of m dash y ds. So that one will be equal to, what is m dash? M dash will be equal to this force into distance, that is Ra into x and again this W into this distance x into x by 2 minus. So one will be acting clockwise here, another will be acting anti-clockwise, minus W x square by 2. So that is the moment here. And again what is y? Y will be equal to this r cos theta. And what about ds? ds is the small elemental part on a circular arch taken r d theta. Okay, so first solve this m dash and then substitute this value. So first I will solve that m dash. So this is somewhat complicated only. M dash will be equal to Ra. What about this x? X will be equal to r into 1 minus sin theta. And also write down what is Ra here. Ra will be equal to this W into r. So x will be equal to r into 1 minus sin theta minus into x. What about this x? Okay, minus W by 2. So into x square. X square is r into 1 minus sin theta whole square. Then W r square 1 minus sin theta minus W by 2. So this one is square and again 1 minus sin theta whole square. Here take down the possible terms common here. W r square and again 1 minus sin theta is possible to take common. So if I will take this common term outside, here this is 1 times minus 1 by 2 times of 1 minus sin theta. And again simplify this term, that is W r square 1 minus sin theta. So cross multiply this one, 2 minus 1 minus sin theta by 2. And again W r square 1 minus sin theta 2 minus 1 plus sin theta by 2. W r square 1 minus sin theta, that is 1 plus sin theta by 2. Here again simplify this one. So I will simplify from myself, that is W r square. I will take this 2 outside, that one will be equal to 1 minus sin theta 1 plus sin theta. This is the form of a minus b into a plus b. So take down that one will be equal to x square minus b square. What is a here? 1. That is 1 square means 1 only, minus b square is sin square theta. Okay, then again, so here your m value will be equal to W r square by 2 1 minus sin square theta. Then what is your numerator part? That is integral of m dash y ds. That one will be equal to integral of m will be equal to W r square by 2 1 minus sin square theta. And what about this y? That one will be equal to r cos theta. And what about this ds? That one will be equal to r d theta. So we know the limit, that is 0 to pi. So based on the property, that is 0 to pi by 2. If f of x is even, due to symmetric condition, we are taking like this one and take down the common terms outside. 2 W r square cube power 4 by 2 integral of 0 to pi by 2 1 minus sine square theta cos theta d theta. So here cancel the possible terms, whatever it is possible to cancel here, that is 2 to cancel, that is w r power 4 0 to pi by 2 1 minus sine square theta cos theta d theta. And again here I will simplify. So put sine theta will be equal to t. So differentiate this sine theta will be equal to, you will get dt will be equal to sine theta will be equal to cos theta into d theta. So if you substitute the value here, what you will get, wr power 4 integral of 0 to pi by 2 1 minus sine square theta, that is 1 minus t square cos theta d theta, that is dt, that is wr power 4. So apply integration of 1 dt, that is t minus integration of t square, that is t cube by 3 0 to pi by 2. And again what is t here, that one will be equal to sine theta, that is sine theta minus 1 by 3 sine cube theta. Then apply upper limit minus lower limit, that is upper limit will be equal to wr power 4 sine of pi by 2 minus 1 by 3 sine cube pi by 2. Lower limit sine of theta 0 0 minus sine cube of 0 0. So if you simplify this one, how you will get, wr power 4 sine pi by 2 value is 1 minus 1 by 3 sine cube of pi by 2 1 to the power of 3 1 only. Again 3 minus 1, simplify this one, wr power 4. So cross multiply this one, 3 minus 1 by 3, that one will be equal to 2 by 3, 2 wr power 4 by 3. So this is the numerator part, that is integral of m dash y ds, that one will be equal to 2wr power 4 by 3. Then move to the denominator part. So I will take the denominator part here, that one will be equal to integral of y square ds. And again, so this is in terms of 0 to pi, take down 2 times of 0 to pi by 2. What is y? That is r cos theta whole square, ds is r d theta. So that one will be equal to 0 to pi by 2 r square cos square theta into r d theta, that one will be equal to 0 to pi by 2 r cube cos square theta d theta. So take down r cube outside, so that is 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta d theta. So I already explained this cos square theta will be taken directly 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. I also explain what is the reason, so how you will get that one, I also explain here once. So we know the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta will be equal to 1. And again cos 2 theta will be equal to, what is the formula here, cos square theta minus sin square theta. So if I want sin cos square theta, so sin square theta, what I will do, I will send this cos square theta this side, that one will be equal to cos square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta. So simplify this one, cos square theta minus 1 minus 2 minus plus plus cos square theta. So you will get 2 cos square theta minus 1. So here this is cos 2 theta. Again I will send this one this side. Cos 2 theta plus 1 equal to 2 cos square theta. So I want cos square theta here. Cos square theta will be equal to, send this 2 this side, cos 2 theta plus 1 by 2. So what I am telling means, please directly remember that formula, that is r cube 0 to pi by 2. Cos square theta will be equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta. Then again r cube. So split this one, take down 2 outside, integral of 0 to pi by 2, 1 into d theta plus integral of 0 to pi by 2 cos 2 theta d theta. So here again apply integration here, r cube by 2, integration of 1 is theta d theta, that is theta plus c, constant of integration 0 to pi by 2, okay, plus integration of 0 to pi by 2. So I will solve this one here, integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos 2 theta d theta. So here we have to put this 2 theta will be equal to mu. Again differentiate this mu with respect to d. Du will be equal to 2 will be constant, 2 into d theta. So if you want d theta, you can take down du by 2. Here take down 0 to pi by 2 cos 2 theta is mu, du is du 2. Take down 1 by 2 outside, integral of 0 to pi by 2 cos mu du. Apply integration here, 1 by 2 integral of cos mu is sin mu, that is 0 to pi by 2. And again see here 1 by 2 sin mu value will be equal to 2 theta, that is 0 to pi by 2. Apply upper limit minus lower limit, sin 2 into pi by 2, that is pi by 2 2, which is sin 180, minus lower limit sin 0. So this is 0, this is sin 180 is cos 90, that is 0 only. So this term also 0. So entire term will be 0 here. And what is the remaining term? So here what is the value obtained here? After entire this term will be 0. So check once again here, this will be 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 r cube cos square theta d theta. So 2 will be common here each and everywhere, 2. So and again here also 2. So cancel this 2 outside. So finally how much you will get? R cube, and apply the upper limit, that is pi by 2, lower limit is 0 plus 0. So finally you will get pi r cube by 2, that is the integral of y square ds part. So what is the horizontal thrust here? So horizontal thrust will be equal to how much obtained here? So formula will be equal to h equal to integral of m dash y ds by integral of y square ds. So what is m dash y ds? So what is the denominator part here? See here this one, 2w r power 4 by 3. What is the denominator part? Pi r cube by 2, that is pi r cube by 2. So therefore horizontal thrust will be equal to 2w r power 4 by 3 into 2 by pi r cube. So this r cube and r cancel means you will get r here. So that is 2 times 4 by 3 wr by pi. So that the horizontal thrust will be developed on a UDL consists over the entire span. That one will be equal to here, horizontal thrust will be equal to 4 by 3 wr by pi. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.